Can you see the screen? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after the start and the end, now we'll see that how to insert the node in between or anywhere in the linked list. Means now we are not going to talk about the start at the end, anyone. So it can be any location, right? So how to add that thing? So the same thing, let's say what you need to ask to the user, now you need to ask the user location, that where you want to insert the node. So if user is saying, if user, because here we are not going to say the one is not allowed and one is not allowed and length of the linked list is 4. So 4 is not allowed, means only 2 and 3. These two locations are free, right? Where you can ask to the user. So see, it is not about that you have to ask this way. I'm just saying that if user is saying 1, then go for this logic. If user is saying 4, then go for this logic. And if user is saying this 2, then go for this logic. So now we have only one case and we have two different locations. So user will definitely say the second location. But we actually don't have the second location. We have index. So the location, sorry. So we have the index 1. So whatever the location user said, always minus 1. Whatever the location user said, location minus 1. Always go till that location. Understood? Why?
Because index is starting from 0.
Exactly, because index is starting from the 0. So if user is saying 1, if user is saying 1, means what we will say? 1 minus 0, means we are talking about the 0 index, that way. If user is saying 4th location, right? It means 4 minus 1 means I am talking about the 3rd location, that is the end. So always when you work with the insertion operation and you ask for the location, you ask the user for the location, always do this thing, location minus 1. So this is the logic of your for loop termination. You will start with the value, this is I means your index 0, and always go till the location minus 1 and I plus plus, and then you can iterate the logic, iterate the loop. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I got the concept of the loop termination for the insertion operation. And now let's say user is saying that he wants to add the node at let's say location is equal to 3. Means what we will understand? We are talking about this position, this place, right? In between 1 and 2. Right? So see, here I'm just going to show the actual graphical representation, that how it should go, but how to write that you have to do it. See, let me first clear all the things so you can focus. Now see carefully, guys. Want to create the new node. Okay, let's say the address of this is 2001. How many things I have already shared that how to terminate the loop, right? That, and starting, always start with the st. This is my new node. Let's say the value is 16, and very first when you will create the node, it will have the null, and this is my, let's say, new node. I cannot hear. So let's say this is my new, which contains 2001, and this will point this. Now see carefully. I will start with 0. Okay, is this the location -1? No. Go next. Is this the location -1? No. Go next. Is this the location -1? Yes, this is the location -1. Why I want to reach till here? Because I need address this as well as this. So see, what should be happen? What actually you need to do? You have to tell me, you need this and these two things, right? For that, if I say that this node should point this, it means what? That this location, I'm not going to erase this time, I'll just cut it. So instead of this, I need
2001.
2001.
2001. So I'm pretty sure that you know what would be the instruction. The value of new you need to assign at this location. This is my location -1 -1, right? That you have to decide, -I -1, that you have to decide. Okay, so I got this link. Now I want that this point, this node should link this. What should I do? Here what I need?
1004. 1003.
1003. What I need? 1003. Okay, so I got the link, and the moment you will assign 2001, you delete this link. So I have inserted the node. I have inserted the node in between at the desired location. How to manipulate with the addresses, that you have to see now. I have given all the hints. First hint, go for the location -1 -I. Then the for loop termination I told you. Then also I told you that what you have to do, that always assign the news address to the location -1 -I, and whatever the location you have, whatever the value you have of this 103, that you need to assign. One more thing you need to take care, the same thing which we talked in the start. Let's see what I did. The mistake normally we do is, I assign the news value to over here, but before that actually I had to do that this 103 should be assigned over here, and after that I can assign the 2001 here. This thing you have to take care, that how will you write the code for this thing. Try to write the code, try to dry run all the things and see the sequence or the order of the instructions. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.